life we live. We all need someone to hold.
Isang napakagandang araw po sa ating lahat ngayon.
When the world starts to unfold, through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care.
Guys, nandito po tayo sa Sapa, guys. Nagpalamig lang tayo dito dahil sobrang init doon sa taas, guys. Sobrang init doon sa taas, kaya nabuti na lang namin na dito lang muna kami mag-stay or
my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship.
pag kasi kami nandito sa Sapa, guys, talagang matagalan kami uuwi ng dahil sino ba naman di uuwi doon sa mainit na panahon. Kaya ay pwede na po ano bon uling bon maligo na kaya ta maligo na ka tanin yung tanan maligo na taninyo
Deep house beats like stars twinkling in the sky. I reach the depths of my creativity as I fly high.
guys, maraming salamat salamat sa panonood ng aking vlog at kapag nagustuhan nyo naman ang video na ito, please subscribe everyone, bye.
The trip hop moves right around